Which of the following is not a physical state of matter? So we have four options, and here option D is the correct answer. What is the defining characteristic of a gas? For question number 2, correct answer is C. Which of the following is an example of a liquid? Answer is D. The particles of a solid are. For question number 4, answer is B. Which of the following is an example of a gas? For question number 5, correct answer is B. What happens to the volume of a gas when its temperature is increased at constant speed? For question number 6, correct answer is A. What happens to the shape of a liquid when it takes the shape of its container? Correct answer is B. Which of the following statements is true about the particles of a gas? Correct answer is C. What happens to the kinetic energy of particles as a solid melts into a liquid? Correct answer is A. Which of the following is an example of a solid? Correct answer for question number 10 is C. Which of the following statements about the properties of solids is not true? Correct answer for 11 is D. The process of changing from a solid into a gas without passing through the liquid state is called. For question number 12, correct answer is A. Which of the following substances undergoes sublimation at room temperature and pressure? Correct answer for 13 is B. Which of the following gases has the highest compressibility? Correct answer for 14 is D. The phase transition from a liquid to a gas is called. For question number 15, correct answer is C. The temperature at which a substance changes from a liquid to a gas is called. For 16, correct answer is B. Which of the following statements about gas is true? For question number 17, correct statement is C. The process of a gas changing into a liquid is called. For 18, correct answer is A. Which of the following substances has the highest vapor pressure at room temperature? Correct answer for 19 is A. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a solution? Correct answer for question number 20 is A. What does the term solute refer to in a solution? Correct answer for question number 21 is A. Which of the following is an example of a homogeneous mixture? Correct answer for question number 22 is B. What is the solvent in a solution of sugar dissolved in water? Correct answer is B. Which term describes the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a solvent at a given temperature? For question number 24, correct answer is C. Correct answer for question number 25 is A. Correct answer for 26 is D. What does the term dilute solution mean? Correct answer for 27 is B. Which of the following statements about solubility curves is true? Correct answer for question number 28 is A. What is the term for a solution that contains more dissolved solution than a saturated solution at the same temperature? For question number 29, correct answer is C. Which of the following factors does not affect the solubility of a gas in a liquid? Correct answer for question number 30 is D. The solubility of most solid solutes in water tends to dash with an increase in temperature. Correct answer for 31 is A. Which of the following substances would likely have the highest solubility in water? Correct answer for question number 32 is B. A solution with a pH of 3 would be considered. Correct answer is B. The concentration of a solution is typically expressed in units of. Correct answer for question number 34 is B. Correct answer for question number 35 is C. The solubility of a gas in a liquid generally dash with an increase in pressure. For question number 36, correct answer is A. Which of the following would not increase the rate of dissolving a solid solute in a solvent? Correct answer for 37 is C. What is the process by which electrical energy is produced through chemical reaction called? For 38, correct answer is C. In an electrochemical cell, oxidation occurs at the. For 39, correct answer is A. What is the purpose of the salt bridge in an electrochemical cell? For question number 40, correct answer is C. Correct answer for question number 41 is A. What is the standard unit for a measuring electric potential? Correct answer for 42 is A. Which of the following statement about electrolysis is true? For question number 43, correct answer is again A. What is the electrode at which reduction occurs in an electrolytic cell called? For question number 44, answer is B. Which of the following is not a common application of electroplating? For 45, answer is C. Which of the following factors does not affect the voltage produced by a volatile cell? For 46, correct answer is D. What is the primary purpose of a reference electrode in an electrochemical measurements? For 47, correct answer is C. Which of the following metals would be the most suitable for electroplating with silver? Correct answer is C. In an electrolytic cell, which electrode is connected to the positive terminal of the power supply? For 49, correct answer is B. What is the oxidation state of an element in the pure state? Correct answer is A. Which of the following factors affect the rate of electrolysis in an electrolytic cell? For 51, correct answer is D. Which of the following metals is typically characterized by a high electropositive character? Correct answer is A. Among the alkali metals, which one generally has the lowest ionization energy? For 53, correct answer is C. The alkali metals are important in various applications, primarily due to their. Correct answer for 54 is D. Which group of elements is known for their inertness and reluctance to undergo chemical reactions? For 55, correct answer is B. Silver, gold and platinum are often used in jewelry and coinage due to their. For 56, correct answer is C. Which of the following elements exhibits the highest electronegative character? Correct answer is C. The reactivity of halogens tends to decrease. Correct answer for 58 is B. Which halogen is commonly used in water purification due to its disinfectant properties? Correct answer for 59 is C. Among the halogen, which one has the highest melting and boiling point? Correct answer is D. What is the reason for decreasing reactivity of halogens down the group? Correct answer for 61 is C. Which of the following alkali metals has the highest ionization energy? Correct answer is A. The importance of alkali metals in industrial processes lies in their. Correct answer for 63 is C. Which property of alkali metals makes them unsuitable for structural applications? Correct answer for 64 is C. The inerness of noble metals such as gold and platinum makes them valuable for. Correct answer is D. The electronegativity of an element indicates its. Correct answer for 66 is C. Which of the following halogens is most likely to form covalent compounds rather than ionic compounds? Correct answer for 67 is A. The reactivity of halogens decreases down the group due to. Correct answer for 68 is D. Correct answer for 69 is C. Silver is highly valuable. Correct answer for 70 is B. Which of the following statements regarding the ionization energy of alkaline earth metals is true? For 71, answer is A. At the end, we have provided answer key for all questions for your easiness.